Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you on how to use this Nescafe Dolce Gusto. Ayan, we're going to use this Starbucks. Ayan, so this one. And then, I'm gonna teach you on how to use this machine. So first, make sure na may tubig itong jar natin. Pull nyo lang to and then put it back kapag may tubig na siya. Lucky, I'm cooking one egg for breakfast. So, ayan. Make sure na may water yan. And then, plug in nyo lang. Just plug it in. And then, this one, power, just push lang. Ayan. Red pa siya. Means nag-warm up pa lang siya. This will be turned into green kapag ready na yung machine natin. Ayan. So, wait lang natin mga, it takes 30 seconds before to turn into green. So, ayan. While waiting, ready na natin yung coffee cup natin. So, this one, I'm gonna use this one. It's so yummy. And then, coffee talaga yung lasa niya. So, while waiting, I'm cooking one egg for breakfast. Then, less natin yung fire kasi masyadong malakas. And then, so, still, di pa nag-green. So, ayan guys, green na siya. And then, since it's green na, ready to use na, then, pull lang natin to. And then, pull. Just pull. And then, put this in here. And then, put it back. Close it. Then, put the cup here. And then, this one is, the blue one is cold and the red one is hot. So, since gusto natin ng hot coffee, and then, put natin dito. So, ready na yung machine natin. Let's wait. So, yan, ready na yung coffee natin. See? Yeah. Ay, sorry. Tumutulo pa siya. Now, just add one sugar kasi hindi naman to sweet. So, walang including sugar. Just kasi coffee lang siya. And you may add one sugar or 1 main teaspoon of sugar. And then, coffee mate if you like or some evaporated milk. So, it's up to you kung ano yung mas feel niyo. So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching.